The best tractor for a farmer, a starting out farmer, it's a John Deere 3025E. Duh. It does everything that you need. I mean, it pretty much can handle the workload. You can add your brush hog attachments. And these forks come in real handy. Yes, there's a bucket too, but I wouldn't go without anything else. This is the best thing ever. Now, there are bigger sizes and bigger models that can handle whatever you need, but this right here is the starter. If you're a farmer, let me know what you think about that tractor, because you might have something better than I do. I would like to know.